welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your box braids into these beautiful goddess braids. So I started with some 2-week-old box braids and decided to spice it up a little bit by adding in this crochet hair right here. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, obviously the first thing you should do is subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red button and then obviously give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for the rest of the tutorial. Alright, so for this look, you're going to need, of course, your crochet needle. And this one I picked up at my local beauty supply. You should be able to pick it up there as well. I got this when I was doing my Havana twist, which was I think two years ago. I did a video on it. Check that out. And then also for the hair, I'm going to be using this Bobbi Boss French deep wave hair, and it comes in 3 different lengths. It comes in a 14, 16, and 18. The reason I picked up this pack was because 1, it was inexpensive. I think it was like less than $10. And then 2, you know, I'm just transforming my box braids and I want to kind of have varying lengths. So with this hair, it allows me to do that. So hopefully this comes out good. If it doesn't come out good, you probably won't be seeing this video, but we'll see. So let's get started. So this is what the hair looks like. I just took out one of the sections, and this is the 18-inch right here. So the reason I picked the 14, 16, and 18 is, of course, like I said, I wanted to do varying lengths. And I feel like the 18 should be long enough to kind of put the hair from my scalp. So we'll see how this goes. But I'm going to start by taking one piece here of hair and then laying the rest down. And I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to start over here and I'm going to hook it through, and then I'm going to take my hair here and hook that on, and then put the latch back and pull that through my hair, grabbing onto this piece after I unhook it, and then pulling these 2 pieces through and creating a knot. So that's what the little first piece looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do that on the rest of my head, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm just kind of picking random pieces to do the long ones, and then I'll come back when I do the 14-inch ones. So this is how my hair is looking so far, and I just added probably like 6 or 7 pieces in, and I think it's looking kind of cute. So I just grabbed the 14-inch section here, and I think what I'm going to do is actually braid this in. So I have a piece here. I already tried to crochet it through, and trust me, it looked crazy because, you know, you can't really tie a knot. So I'm going to attempt to braid this piece in. We'll see how it goes, but yeah. Alright, so I have my unbraided piece right here. So this part is still braided, and then here's my crochet piece. So I'm going to go ahead and braid that in, leaving one part exposed. So Okay. So this is what this piece looks like. Cool. Alright, so I might go ahead and unbraid a few pieces and braid in the 14-inch hair, and I'll come back when that is done. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I finished kind of inserting all of those little crochet pieces. So here's the first piece that I did where I braided it in, and a majority of the rest of the pieces I just crocheted at the root. And this is what it looks like, and I think it came out super cute. So there is one final step, and the last step is to add some mousse. This is the Lotto Body Wrap Me Foaming Lotion. So this is just going to help prevent the crochet hair from getting tangled. As you can see, there's already a little bit of that. So I'm just going to take a couple pumps, well actually like 3 pumps of my mousse, put it on my hands here, and then just run that through the hair just to help with tangling. And then I'm going to do that again on the other side. So I just use 2 pumps on this side. So this is the finished look after we've added our mousse and added our hair. And I think it actually came out better than I even anticipated, which was super surprising. So you guys will be seeing this video because I'm obviously going to upload it. So if you guys try this out, definitely let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, then I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, I'll give you a chance. This is your moment right now to subscribe. The button is like somewhere below. I don't know. But hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, obviously give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more hair videos and things like that, definitely let me know. Until the next one.